I'm back with another origami video, and this one does not include a square piece of paper. This actually includes a rectangular piece of paper. So if you're only using lined paper or computer paper, you don't need to cut it at all. Right now, as you can see, I'm using construction paper. But I think like an 8.5 by 11 piece of regular computer paper is probably the best for this, honestly. So yeah, let's start. So we're going to start by folding this paper hamburger style. And now you're going to fold it again, hamburger style. You're going to open that up, and you're going to take one side and fold it down against the edge of this fold down the middle that you just made, this crease. And you're going to crease that. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the right side. You can already see the little middle part of the boat forming. So now you have these two flaps underneath. What you're going to do is fold those up so that it makes a crease right on the edge of your two folds right here. And you don't really have any folds here, so just fold it against the edge of your paper where the triangle starts. You can do this to kind of find it easier. Now what you're going to do is take one side, and you have these two flaps. Fold this flap under, and this flap over. And kind of crease that. Take this side, and to fold those in place. Fold this flap under, and this flap over, and stop. You can, once again, already see it. And you're going to take this, open it up, and flop it so now it faces this way. Now it's a diamond. It's a square. I'm going to take this flap in the front at the bottom, and you're going to pull that up to make a new triangle. Do the same thing on the back. You're going to do the same thing that you did, turning it from a triangle to a square. Open it up. You see these are bending down, and push down on them. You're going to do that one more time. You're going to fold these ends up. You can see the paper gets really thick at some places, so if that rips, it's not super surprising. You'd rather it didn't, but use a thinner paper. Like I said before, computer paper is probably the best for this. Fold this up. I'm going to turn it into a square one more time. Open it up, fold it down, but we're not going to be folding these flaps up anymore. I'm going to take these two ends here at the top and open them up. And flatten that out. And this is a closed section, so you can open that up. You can see the hole here. other than that, there you go. There's your paper boat. And if you want this to be waterproof, if you want it to sail like an actual boat, put some wax on the bottom so it becomes waterproof, and you can sail it like a real sailboat. And you can write things on it if you want. There you go. Looks cute. Do any colors you want. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.